Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Kerry. Today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cook cabbage. Cabbage is a good stuff which is needed by any infant who is suffering from ulcers. You are advised to eat cabbage, as when you are rehydrated, you are also advised to eat cabbage. I am Grace Kerry from the village Kenya. Here I am from Gusii Highland. This is the cabbage that I'm going to prepare today. And the other stuff also, onions, red onion, plus some tomatoes here, as you can see. Some tomatoes here, as you can see. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook the cabbage today. Welcome. As you watch my channel, you are welcome. I think you will enjoy as you watch this video. Karibu sana. So here we're gonna cut the cabbage into half, because I may not cut all of the cabbage, because I don't need to use the whole of it. I want to use like a quarter of it or a half of it. Now we're gonna cut. I don't want to remove the covers because it preserves the cabbage. So I have to cut what I need, is not part of it. So we cut it. I need a quarter of it. This is what I want. I will cook this one, and I will preserve the other one. So we have to wash it first. Here, I put some water here. You may wonder as to why I'm using this, because it carries a lot of water. So I have to wash it nicely like this. We put the water aside. Now I have to cut it for the size I want. I have to cut it. This is how we cut. We don't need to use the cutting board. As you can see, I can use my hands to cut. Wow, this is how it looks when I have finished cutting it. This is how it looks. Very nice. See? Now I cut the onion. This is the onions now. Now I have to put the fire on. Now I have to light the fire, as you see. And this is the matchbox and this is the matchstick. Wow! Now we start cooking. And this is the bowl that I'm going to use. It is a kind of frying pan, Japanese frying pan, if not Chinese frying pan. So I put some oil. This is oil. After putting the oil, I should put some onions. Here are the onions, as you see. Reduce the fire. Reduce the fire, push the fire too much. Remember, we are frying the cabbage because it doesn't need any boiling. We are just frying it, as you can see. Let's go. After some, now I have to put tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that I'm going to use. You need them to cook for 5 minutes. To put some salt. This is the salt. See how much I'm using. Here with we leave them to cook for some minutes. Like when the tomatoes and the onions are ready, I should pull the cabbages that you can see. These are the cabbages. Now we start cabbage. Remember, we are frying, but it's already very good. My usual blowing the fire. It is a big smoke. Wow. When it is ready, we garnish it with the spring onions because the cabbage is white. So I have to garnish it with spring onions. See? You should cut them in big size like this. Big size. Like this size. it, guys. The cabbage is ready, as you can see here. It's ready. As you can see, it's ready. Wow, this is Grace Carey, born in the village in Kisii Highland, Kenya. Born in a family of 8 people. Family of 8 people, 5 men and 3 girls, as you can see. Thank you so much, subscribers. You are new in this channel. Subscribe, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. Bye.